Fancy Kid. I am Logan, and I'm making a salad and tomato soup.
Okay, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna cut. We already washed all our veggies, right?
Yeah.
And can you show the veggies that are from our garden?
So we have tomatoes, a green tomato, onions,
Oregano.
celery, cilantro, and a cucumber.
So we're gonna do the tomatoes first, okay?
Okay.
So let me show you how to do one. Remember the salad that you saw was very little, right? Very chunky, like little bits. So we're gonna do that, okay?
The tomato has so much seeds inside.
Yeah. You see my fingers are not close to the knife, okay?
Okay.
And you tuck them in. And then you're gonna go. Okay, and then we put it in our bowl.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, watch your fingers. Well, that one you can do like this because it doesn't have to, and you gotta take the stem off. Okay, watch your fingers. Okay, and now put them like that and then cut them like in the little cubes. Good job. All right, and this one we need to cut a little more. And this one too. I'm scared that he'll cut his fingers. Just tuck your fingers. Tuck your fingers. Let me turn them around. They're very seedy.
Okay.
So just
I
little.
love onions.
Okay, let's look. Look how you do the onion. You gotta split it first. And you have two. And then I'm gonna show you with this one. Like this. Okay, and then you're gonna go pop. Okay, so do that to that one. Okay. You're learning, Papa. Good job. Good job. Okay, careful with your fingers. Okay, careful with your fingers. Okay, I'll finish off these pieces.
Okay.
Okay, now the cucumber, Baba.
Oh
All right.
yeah.
Well,
It's super big.
yeah, we're only gonna do, I think, half of the cucumber, right? Because we don't need that much. So let's just do half.
What's the matter?
It makes me cry.
The onions?
Yes.
So the cucumber, you can also like take off the skin of the cucumber. So we're gonna take off just a little bit because I don't like it too cucumbery skin. So I do this.
Oh yeah. Here's the peeler, Mommy.
Okay, so I do this. I do like one. I don't do all of it, but I do like that. Okay, you wanna try?
Careful. Just be careful.
So hold it.
Careful.
There you go, and then one more, and that should be good. So you see, I do like a couple of sections, and I just strip it, and that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so now, I'm just gonna cut it in half. We want the seeds, right? Okay, or if you don't want the seeds, you can just do this. You can cut the seeds out a little bit because it's too seedy. Is that a word?
I can go to the back. Oh, I
That,
can
like in
cut them
strips.
tiny.
And then you just go like that. Yeah, look how tiny they come out. You see how I'm doing you see the knife? I'm moving the vegetable, but not the knife. The knife stays. Your fingers. I'm gonna go 1. I'm gonna go 2. Okay?
Okay.
Then we're gonna put it together. Hold it together. Hold them together. And you're gonna keep your knife there and move the vegetable. Okay, keep going.
Careful. And always watch your fingers.
Okay, I almost got myself cut my fingers. Wow, you're
This is my
learning.
first time doing it.
Yeah, you're learning, Bob.
Okay. Now
Okay.
let's do. Can we do this one?
Okay, so this is easy. All you're gonna do is take the leaves off. Take the leaves off. This you don't need a knife. Just take the leaves and pile it right there.
Okay. Smells good. I
Yeah.
put this in my soup. I'm gonna put this in my soup too.
Okay, well we're gonna do the soup tomorrow. We're not gonna do it today, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Put them all in a little bunch.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, you don't need to do this one because this is like very tricky. And then you can put it in the bowl. Alright. So we're gonna put celery in it? Or no? Yeah?
Celery.
Okay, the celery is very thin because it's from our garden. It hasn't gotten thick. So, look, just the same like I did the cucumber. You see, I move the celery. I don't move my knife. Okay, put the celery in.
Gonna be a nice salad.
Yep, drizzle, drizzle. Okay, here.
The vinegar.
Vinegar. Here. You just put it on the top. It's easier. And then one, and then another one. Okay. And then salt.
Salt is easy to put.
Okay. Look, usually you wanna just go like this.
Okay.
Okay. And then just a spoonful is fine. Okay. And then pepper.
Pepper, yay! I love pepper.
Good job. And then mix.
Mix it.
Smells good.
It smells good?
All right. Look at that.
And here's my salad. Thanks for watching.